Hello, I'm Shelley, and I'm the Activities Director of the Dallas Modern Quilt Guild. And in this video, we're going to be talking September Block Lottery blocks. So what are we doing? We are going to be sewing some Improv curve blocks. What do we need? 3 fabrics. The color choice is yours. No black, no white, but any other color combination is up to you. We want them to be solids or Rita solids. You need 1 light, 1 medium, and 1 dark fabric. Now, if you feel like you're somebody who struggles with value, or if you just want to do something cool, you can lay your fabrics out, take a quick pick, go to your editing settings, and take the color out so they're black and white. You'll be able to tell instantly whether or not you have been successful with a light, a medium, and a dark. You can starch. I did starch mine. I don't think that starching really makes a difference on this block one way or the other. The unit size is 3, and as usual, when you bring in 2 units, you get your name into the block lottery twice. So happy block making. I'll see y'all at the meeting. Okay, let's get started. What have we got going on here? So here I have my light, my medium, and my dark. I'm actually going to line them up like this. First of all, let me show you these. Okay, so you can see we're going to cut these. We're going to stack them up and cut them. And then separate them out and sew them back together. So these are my first set that I did. Let me show you how I did these. Okay, I've got my fabrics stacked up one on top of the other here. Much better. Okay. I'm going to take my rotary cutter, make a cut here, come over here, pick a spot, make another cut. I will tell you, if you are making this middle portion thinner, just remember this. You need to have at least this middle piece needs to be at least 1 inch wide because of seam allowance. So let's just come over here. Actually, I think I'm going to pick a spot, and cut. Pick a spot. Ooh, it's moving on me. And cut. Okay. So just separate these. Let's see. I need the light. Okay, I'm just separating them. So I'm going to sew this one first. Then this, I'll do, separate these out, and then I'll do this one next. And then the last one is this. I want you to note, when we sew these back together, you're always going to sew with this piece on the bottom. Honestly, these are so easy to sew. So let's get started. Okay. I'm going to line this up about 1/2 inch from the edge of that. That's where you're going to start this, because we are going to trim these up. Just ease that in as you're sewing. Oh no, my hand is in the way. There we go. Let's see if this works better. Get this finger press. Okay. So here, I'm actually going to start it about a half an inch away from that piece, from the dark purple. See if we can't ease this in. Okay, let me go give these a good press and let's trim these up. We're going to trim these up to 8.5 inches. And we're good to go. Yes, I need to change my blade. Ugh, okay. Okay, my blocks are trimmed up. And now we have 3 blocks ready to go. Okay, my block lottery blocks are done. Look, all kinds of fun possibilities with these curvy improv blocks. I can't wait to see what y'all bring in at the meeting. You know, that's the best part of the meeting for me, is to see all the blocks. So happy sewing. I will see y'all at the September meeting.